We start our mornings off never like this. Right now we're at the scrap metal place. Unloading the trailer. We'll see how much we get for this load. Got a couple bikes and some random stuff from our yard, farm equipment. I don't know. Let's check it out. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, Jesse! What does he give us?
One more time.
600 pounds? Well?
Well, 20, 40, 60, 65.
That's it? What are the odds of that?
100% right now.
Breaking stuff.
Thing falls off all the time.
Literally the master at backing up. How'd you even do that?
I don't know. Luck.
That is so exciting. Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
I got it. Let go. Does this fit?
Yep.
Okay, you got something on its back. Oh.
Is it prepped for rollouts? Yo, hey, you can't take that anywhere yet. There's no rollouts in there.
Holy crap. You never...
Yes, it's on the sheet.
Roll them hard.
Rolling trays.
We're doing shelves, I guess.
No, roll them.
Stress me out. I'm sorry.
Belly belly. Are you awake? Hey girl. What's daddy doing? What happened, Jesse?
Forgot the legs, screws.
Forgot the legs, the screws. We're heading all the way back.
Got the Wendy's.
We got the Wendy's, yep. Most important part.
Where's my burger?
Ow! This is so exciting. These are all the panels. This is the kitchen to be.
One on top of the other. Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
Nice key.
I go upstairs to feed the baby and there's already a whole kitchen almost. What?
Oh.
This is amazing.
1 inch
Yeah, filler.
plus gable.
Yeah,
5/8.
5/8. And then 37-inch fridge opening.
$93 inches.
Yeah.
Which it's a little high. This is way off the back wall. My issue is this wall. The cabinet's twisted, I just don't know. That's it. Okay, what's my filler? This is filler for the pantry. So I'm going to screw the cabinet in from the side and the back wall. So I need to find the stud here, which I've already marked. I need to find the stud on the back wall, which is these two spots. Okay, so the stud is 15 1/4 from the back wall. So I have to measure 15 1/4 minus half an inch or so. 14 5/8. One there. One here. 14 5/8. And maybe one on the bottom. What's this measurement? 13 inches. You have to do, remember that you have filler. So 13's there. So on the inside of the gable, it's like 9 7/8. So you have to mark 9 7/8. One. Aye! That hurt. One on top. Pre-drilling to screw in the cabinet to the studs. I'll pre-drill. Technically, you could probably use a whole full piece, but I'm just using scraps that I have lying around. I'll screw oh my gosh, these bits trying to fall out on me. It's a lot easier when you can reach. I didn't hit anything there. Oh my gosh, where is this? I guess I just missed it or something, I don't know. Screw, hopefully hitting those pieces of wood would be nice. There's one. Woo! There's another one. And one more on the bottom. That's that. 2.5 inch washer heads. Now to pull the back in. There's one. Now I have to drill. Where did my drill go? Okay, I have to drill the holes. Probably one here, here, middle back, maybe one on the bottom and a couple in the front to hold the add-on gable. Do one there, on top, here, there. More than that's probably overkill. Might need my assistant, but she's busy with the baby. Oh, we'll try to make this work. I need 1 1/8 screws. I'm gonna make the reveal of the add-on gable 3/4 to hide the sides of the doors on there on. Oh my gosh. Almost lost it. Okay, there's 3/4. And I'll do 3/4 on top. And you kind of want some pressure on your that, and that's installed. There's a little bit of a gap here. For my own home, I don't care that much because the fridge is going to cover it. On someone else's home, I'd probably do a scribe line, but this gable's not deep enough to scribe more off because I want the 3/4 reveal to hide this side of the doors. I am making a block that will help me attach this cabinet. I made this helping block for when I stick it up on top of the pantry. It helps me hold it up. I'm finding the studs for the cabinet above the fridge here. And there's two. That's 10 inches and the other one's 26. 10, 26. But you take the thickness of the 5/8 off so I can measure on the inside of the cabinet. It's 9 1/4 and 25 and about 1/4. 21 inches. That's the bottom of the gable. Could be very difficult.
How are you gonna do this?
It's quite heavy.
How can I help?
You can let go.
Oh my gosh.
It worked somehow.
That's insane.
I need you. Give me a tape.
Tape? The top's not touching the wall on this side. I don't know if that means anything. That looks a lot better on that side.
Grab me a drill with the Robertson bit.
Oh my gosh. Do you need me to hold it?
Yeah. You can't even reach it. Level. You just have to lift it ever so slightly. That's it. That's good, that's good. How's the face? I'm getting it tight on the wall that's revealed, so there's a big space here, so I'm shoving shims underneath, and then I'll run a pencil mark down the side.
Baby! Oh! Scare me.
Alright, just mark on the gable where it lines up on the wall.
Okay.
Good job. Thing just broke. Oh my gosh, this leg won't go in. That top. No, not even close. I can hardly tell there's more legs. That's what I want. Cutting it at the base cabinet height. Sand the edges. 1, 2, 3. Countersink. The stud is 4 1/4. Hook it onto your filler. I like to just mark it on the top of the gable, and that's like 2 5/8 from the inside of the cabinet. I like to cut another piece in the back to match the filler, and I added this. Just keeps it from wanting to twist. Level, level. are so fun. Sink cabinets. The sink drain goes all the way over. They didn't even center it to the window. 7 and 7/8 from here. A hole saw. Okay, I'm using the bigger one for the bigger piping, the drainage pipe. I'll use a small one for the pecs. Right now, I'm attaching the sink. I need your help. Hold the pencil there.
Yep.
Good? That was a turkey. If that was a child crying. Okay, what I need you to do, if possible, is hold this to the face as I cut. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a little blowout. I'm using a skill saw, which is kind of hacky, but I don't have a roll saw, unfortunately. But I'm gonna put it where you can't see it. Back right. Back right.
That's my left. My left?
Back left. Back left. Okay, now I'm cutting a 30-inch filler. It goes from just over 1/2 inch to 3/8. Now I'm marking the straight edge. A little better. There's that. $31 and 5/8. Okay, perfect. That works. Well, this is everything I could get done so far. I'll probably build the uppers this weekend and pick up all the doors, put them on. Gotta do all the pot lights still. And one day we'll put a Murphy door here to hide the basement. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Leave a like, comment, tell us all the things we did wrong. We'd love to hear it.
Yeah.